We're always excited to share information and updates on the 9 complex. The project itself is a truly mixed-use project, really the first of its kind in the city of Cleveland.
Before Euclid and East 9th was dead for many years, and this building sat vacant for over 20 years.
The residents have just been so complimentary in terms of how we really cleaned up this corner. To see the life and the vibrancy back in downtown has been fantastic.
When Greg and Fred Geis had the vision to create the 9, they looked at what was missing downtown. A great boutique lifestyle hotel, high-end apartments, affordable apartments for associates that work and live downtown. And this urban resort took about 250 employees, so that's how many active associates we have working in this building.
We are in Adiga. It's a modern Mediterranean fine dining restaurant, and I have been working here since the beginning. I have been following the 9 since I started in January at Tri-C Hospitality Management Center.
Hospitality is hard work. You see the smile on someone's face. You see them smiling when they take a bite of food. And if something is not right, you get an opportunity to correct and grow from that. And they get to work hard all night long. You see them celebrating, having fun at lulls. It's just a good team play.
I just look forward to taking care of customers. I see myself staying in this business for a long time.
So someone like Chris can go to school at Tri-C so he can live here, work here, and grow his career and grow into management. Who knows where he'll go from here.
It's very convenient to live on the premises. As soon as I found out we were able to live here, I was like, I'm doing it.
I have residents who this is their first apartment, first job, up until people who are very established.
It's really a milestone for the city of Cleveland because with residents come people who are spending money, going to restaurants, going shopping. Brings life and energy back, and it invites other people to bring economic investment in the city.
And we're very excited that the Heinen's is opening, which furthers our city, which is the most important thing. I'm very grateful to be on such a project that's really shaped and molded and changed our city for the better.